Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you on your flight mode in your Samsung phone. Guys, you want to on guys flight mode in your Samsung phone, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on flight mode in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, what will you have to do? So I first of all swipe up and guys click on guys your phone setting. So guys you can see guys your first setting connection setting. So guys tap here. Then guys fourth option guys you can see guys your flight mode setting. So we will tap here. Then guys you can see this flight mode notification. So you want to on your flight mode. So guys you can on. After on guys flight mode guys you cannot call someone and guys nobody can call you. And guys you can see this notification. While flight mode is on, you can turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or again in setting or the quick setting panel. Unless you want to off it, so guys you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off flight mode in a Samsung phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.